Welcome to KOK Party Favors. Today, guys, we're going to be making a gift bag label and we're going to be designing it in Canva. Our theme is going to be Paw Patrol. The link to this template will be available in my Etsy shop. I will leave a link in the description below if you'd like to purchase. I will have this template in both Photoshop and Canva. So you'll be able to purchase it either way. Okay, so we're going to start with our design here, and I'm going to pull in my Paw Patrol characters. Let's center them and line them up at the bottom. Yeah, the one that has the Paw Patrol on it. I'm going to pull that in. Okay, then I'm going to go and pull in, there's this dog bone that they have. I thought I pulled it in. But I am going to go to upload files because I want to pull that in as well. And here it is. I'm going to pull that into Canva so I can use it in my design. Okay. Okay, there it is. So I'm going to resize it. I'll resize this shield here with the Paw Patrol on it. Okay, so I'm going to bring some text in so we can add the birthday person's name. So I'm going to put happy birthday Ron. Okay, and I'm going to resize that, and I'm going to add it right here in the center. Now I'm going to check because I have a Paw Patrol font, so I'm going to check and see if that is in my fonts here in Canva. It's either called Achen, Achen, or it'll be Paw Patrol. I don't see it, Achen. Let's check Paw Patrol. No, I don't see it. Okay, so what I want to do is bring that font in. So I am going to go to add your brand fonts. So I'm going to click that. I'm going to click upload a font. Okay, and I am going to go to my Dropbox, to my fonts folder. Okay, here it is. Okay, I don't see Achen, so let me go down to Paw Patrol and see if I have it there. Okay, there it is, Paw Patrol font. So my text has changed to the Paw Patrol font. And I think I want to go ahead and do all uppercase letters here. So let's change that. Okay, so we'll use uppercase. And I want to change the color of the font. Let me get it centered. Okay. All right, so we're going to change that font to red. And our background, we're going to change that to blue. Let's click on that purple and we're going to go down to blue. Now I am going to highlight the back with this little ray here. You see this little, like a starbird, and I am going to move it behind my characters. Okay, so I'm going to send backward, Send backward again. Okay, now I have that in behind my characters. Okay, I like that. Okay, guys, so this is my gift bag label. We're finished designing it. So what I'm going to do is go and print it. And when I come back, I'm going to show um, me applying it to a gift bag so you can see what it looks like. And with these gift bag labels, you have the option to put just one on the bag, or you can put two. You can put one on each side. So you have that option. And that's it for this tutorial. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.